Acyl-Glutathione 1OZ, one of our best sellers of all time. Acyl-Glutathione replenishes the body's master antioxidant, glutathione, directly to the skin to address the accelerated signs of skin aging, helping to eliminate deep lines and creases. Acyl-Glutathione Eye Lid Serum 5 ounce. Acyl-Glutathione Eye Lid Serum topically replenishes skin's glutathione levels around the eye, dramatically improving the visible signs of accelerated aging along the upper eyelid area to deliver a youthful, more wide-eyed appearance. The lightweight, fast-absorbing texture of Acyl-Glutathione Eye Lid Serum makes it an ideal treatment to layer under other eye creams, as well as makeup, as it contains primer-like benefits to enhance smoother application. Helps to minimize the appearance of lines and creases. Visibly improves the look of skin texture. Improves the level of moisture, leaving skin feeling more supple and resilient. Addresses dryness and diminishes the look of enlarged pores. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.